Here's tonight's dinner, everybody. This is chicken helper, sweet and sour chicken with fresh chicken and sweet and sour sauce and the rice. And we're going to make it look like that. And there's the cooking instructions. It's pretty simple. All you need is chicken, vegetable oil, water, and water. And it's got a coating mix. You cook the chicken in oil, non-stick pan, over a medium-high heat, and then this is what you'll end up with. And we're going to have this for dinner, and we're going to give it a review here and tell you what we think about it. So hold on. And there it is, everybody. It's all set up. I'm going to give this a taste test here and let you know what we think about it. I've never made this one before, so here we go. That is delicious. Oh my goodness. That is just the perfect flavor combination. That sweet and sour with the chicken and the rice. Delicious, you guys. I definitely recommend go out and give this a try if you haven't already. It's chicken helper, sweet and sour chicken, and everything you need to make it is included in the box other than the chicken, which you can buy chicken at your local grocery store pretty cheap right about now. So I'll give this a straight on 5 all day long. It's a definite good one. It was approximately, I think, about $1.50. I think these were 3 for $5 the day I went shopping. And I have 2 more. They're going to be upcoming reviews yet. But yeah, definitely give this a try. This is a mesquite marinated chicken breast, and I coated it with the seasoning, fried it. Once it was done, I added the sauce mix and water and cooked it for an additional 6 minutes, and it was done. Turned it down to a simmer. And the rice took about 20 minutes. So all in all, it was about a half hour to make this. And it'll feed approximately 3 to 4 people, depending on how much you want on your plate. So there you have it, everybody. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to drop a comment down below. Turn on that post notifications bell next to the subscribe button. And consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. We typically upload at least once a week or more, depending. And that's all I have, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.